take the burden you give, Lord, I'll sit at your feet. I read the ancient text, take the steps to please your heart, for your grace covers all, I've believed it from the start. Mold me in the furnace of your all-consuming fire, make me who I should be, lift me ever higher. Bring the trials, bring the blaze, I'll rejoice in your name. I am willing to be burned just to know your holy flame. Your holy flame. Do I understand the point? I am truly trying, Master, search this willing joint. You are nothing, you are everything. I wait for clouds above an empty vessel here. Lord, fill